Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.1.5 Reading Level. This criterion is designed to ensure that the language and reading level used in web content is appropriate for the audience. To meet this criterion, websites should ensure that the content is written in plain language that is easily understood by a broad audience. Here are some examples of how to implement this criterion in code. Use clear and concise language that is easily understood by a broad audience. Avoid using complex words or phrases that may be difficult to understand. Use short sentences and paragraphs to make it easier for users to follow along with the content. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that may be difficult for users to understand. If you must use technical terms, provide clear and concise definitions for them. Use tools such as the Flesch-Kincaid readability test to check the reading level of your content and ensure that it is appropriate for your audience. By following these guidelines, websites can ensure that their content is written in plain language that is easily understood by a broad audience and meets WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.1.5 reading level.